Hi, my name is Kimberly with Beauty by Sewn, and I want to show you how I got ready today to work from home, be on lots of Teams calls, the large group chats, do homeschooling at the same time, and try and look and feel my best. So I created a quick look. I wanted to show you how I created this. So let's get started. Hi there. Okay, let's get started. I literally have 4 minutes to do my makeup. I have my skincare on, and I wanted to show you just a quick, easy way to look a little polished and pulled together before jumping on to conference calls and feeling refreshed for the day. Even if you're doing FaceTime with your family or friends, you want to still, look and feel pulled together. So on my clean skin, I am literally taking bronzer, and I'm using number 50 in Les Beiges sheer powder. And it actually can also be used for powder for richer skin tones, but I'm using it as a bronzer. So I love to put bronzer with a loose, big, fluffy brush because I can go crazy with bronzer. So I'm just shaping a little bit extra underneath my cheekbones and applying bronzer all over. The next thing I'm gonna do is I am gonna go for concealer. I want to help brighten, take away any darkness. So applying concealer right into that inner corner. I like bringing it down into my under eye, into that inner corner, and making sure that I almost can use this concealer. It's called Correcteur from Chanel. I actually can use this almost as like a foundation. It's so lightweight, it's hyper pigmented. And then this way I don't feel like I've got a full face of makeup on. And I like doing it after I put bronzer on, and don't worry about it caking. It's so lightweight, because this way I'm sort of creating that little bit more of a sculpted look. So I am now just tapping and pressing right here. I do have a little bit of rosacea, so that's what made me apply the concealer over my eye area, over my cheeks. So you can see right away, it just looks brighter. I think sometimes we think, oh, foundation first, bronzer next, and having the know-how that you can play with products, you can layer them, sheer amounts, sheer formulas. You can layer powder on cream, cream on powder. So there, I've just helped to brighten the under eye. I've covered up a little bit of rosacea, and now I want to get some color on. I am going to use, this was a nice color, but I need a little bit more something today. I'm going to choose, let's see, what have I got here? Nope, too red, too orange. Oh, this is pretty, look. So I'm gonna apply, this is Rouge Coco Flash, and a nice, pretty, glossy formula. Look at that, so nice. And that helps to bring that pop of color. Now I want to do a little bit more to my eyes. I'm feeling a little more today, so I do want to put a little bit something onto my eyes. I did put that concealer, so I'm going to use an eyeliner. This is a beautiful sort of cocoa reddish brown color, and I'm just going to line my eyes. Not going to worry about making it a perfect line, because in fact by doing this I'm going to create more of a hazy eyeliner effect. So when you're doing this, just apply the color, go across the lash line, go back and forth, and I'm going to actually turn this more into like a hazy shadow look. So that's what's so great about cream products, is when you're in a rush, you don't have to worry about, the fallout and trying to clean it all up under your face. You want to make sure that the liner is long enough as well. So you don't want to stop your eye too short. You want to make sure you're bringing it out to where your eye has that natural crease. And I'm going to leave it there. Maybe put a little bit underneath my eyes just to help create a little bit of soft definition. If you're lining your eyes, just make sure whatever you do on the bottom is softer than what's on the top, because you want to help define the bottom of your eyes. You don't want to pull your eyes down. And that's what happens when your liner is too stiff or too thick underneath. Now I'm just going to use an eyeshadow brush and blend this creamy pencil onto the eyelid into my crease to create a little bit more of, again, that hazy eye look. I'll do this, a little bit of mascara, and I'm ready for my call. So I will post a final picture. I hope you found this helpful, and know that no matter how little time you have, you can put a little bit of makeup on, feel better, look better, and get off ready into those video conferences, Zoom, FaceTime, chat, meetups. All right, huge hugs. Have a great day.